I thought I'd show you how I do the scrapers, cabinet scrapers, card scrapers, whatever you like to call them. So this has got a bit of an edge on it, and well, let's see, move some space. And there's a reasonable curl coming off here. So I thought, just to show you that it comes back to life, what I'm going to do is, I've got an 800 grit in here, and I'm actually just going to flatten that off. There. That's it. Work all four edges. So all I'm doing is keeping that flat. Turns over, keep that flat. Turn it back over. There we are. So that's the 4 flat sides. So there's no burrs on here. That's nice and flat now. And on here I've got 1500 grit. I could put the 1500 grit into here and polish that a bit more, but I'm going to put the 1500 grit in here. I made myself a little bench hook, which does make life a little bit easier because the cabinet scraper now fits flat on there, and I can apply, oh yes, I've turned this to 90 degrees. Just pinch that off, so that's now at 90 degrees to this, and all I do is apply a little bit of pressure towards the stone. And we have on there, you can see it just glistening in the light. Nice square. There's no burrs on here because the metal's been going sideways. Just going to do the other side now. And all the time I'm just applying a little bit of pressure against the hone because this isn't going anywhere apart from sideways, and I need to apply pressure this way, unlike when you're doing chisels, in which case the pressure comes from above. So that's the only difference when you're doing your card scrapers. So that's a nice square edge on there. Put that to one side. I don't know how everybody else does it. This is the way I was taught, with a gouge. It's not quite in the right position. I'm not getting quite the way down, all the way down. 3 strokes. Nice. Do the other side. Let's just try 2 on that. I'm sure somebody will say there's a much easier way and better way of doing that, and I'm sure there are. So let's see what this is like. There we go. In no time. Turn it over. Nice, fresh. So that's how simple it is just to prepare the edge of your cabinet scraper. I hope that gives you an insight into the flexibility of the versatility of the SharpEdge.